Factoring by pulling out the greatest common factor. For the first problem, we have 2x squared plus 14x plus 24. Step 1 says to pull out the greatest common factor, which in this case is 2. You then divide 2 by all the integers in the equation. Step 2 gives you the equation x squared plus 7x plus 12. You factor that out, which is x plus 3 and x plus 4. Step 3, you bring the 2 down and divide. X plus 3 divided by 2 and x plus 4 divided by 2 equals 2 times 2x plus 3 times x plus 2.
Okay, for number 1, we did 2x to the second plus 22x plus 60. The first step, you need to find the GCF, which is 2. So you divide all the numbers by 2 and you get x to the second plus 11x plus 30. Then you factor 11 and 30, and you get 6 times 5 equals 30, and 6 plus 5 equals 11. So your answer is x plus 5 and x plus 6.
So for number 3, the equation is 2x to the second plus 16 plus 32. First you pull out the greatest common factor, which is 2. You divide all the numbers by 2, which equals x to the second plus 8x plus 16. The next step is to factor, which equals 2 times x plus 4 times x plus 4.
Factoring quadratics by pulling out the greatest common factor and using the lizzy method. For this equation, we have 6x squared plus 27x plus 27. The greatest common factor is 3, so we pull out the 3 and make it 2x squared plus 9x plus 9. You then multiply a times c, which is 2 times 9, and you get 18. Step 3 says to find multiples that multiply to 18 and add to 9. So that would be 3 and 6. Then you make sure you're bringing down the 3 all the way. And then for 4, you divide by 2 in the actual solutions. So you end up with 3 times 2x plus 3 times x plus 3.
The equation to this problem is 10x to the second plus 95x plus 225. The first step is to divide by the greatest common factor, which is 5. And then you get 2x squared plus 19x plus 45. The next step is to multiply 2 by 45, which equals 90 plus 19x. The next step is to find multiples that multiply to 90 and add to 19. Those would be 9 and 10. Step 4 is, then you factor, which is x plus 9 times x plus 10. And then you divide by 5. The final answer is 5 times 5x plus 9 times x plus 10.